Ebusianfo mama obi bia kwaba aha GCN page so midin ede adwoa searching mesra na wa subscribe to my channel faunsa me a notification bell no so ube a notification ene sa ne news ede betum bia ubenye bia tie anase ubenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha Oman Peninda da His Excellency John Dramani Mahama neni etrem ewo Volta region eye Keta na one NDC delegates ewo ho edi enkomo na denti no Oman Peninda da John Dramani Mahama edu eye Keta ene NDC delegates ekodi enkomo Oman Peninda da His Excellency John Dramani Mahama akopeke ne forms ewo NDC headquarters se obetu franka Diama NDC amayoku no eye 2024 coming election in Ajeze nyame ya adom na se onwinia obabeye eye presidential candidate na chese ne one NPP so de obaba no abesie ni na 2024 ya hwede obetimi edi akondwa no na Oman Peninda da John Dramani Mahama edu Volta region na on launch ne campaign no ene ensem de odebitu dwanya asem keto akra. He is coming to scrap a year of any say as gracia no and I think so was a Ghana nya experience not experiment and some the man Peninda da John Dramani Mahama can be ankasa na e man Peninda da John Dramani Mahama ne kasemo no odi NPP for ho fail osre a year nanado and na ba obi ase mo se mo ye competent. We have the men ben amowo NPP for men ben and amowo men amowo and Ghana e wo hey sisi just say muhu left from right economy just say muhu de ekokrai Oman Peninda da John Dramani Mahama na oka nyem na meka no wasre NPP for anya asem keto akra na kwame A+ e posti sa mocking na Oman Peninda da John Dramani Mahama e mock NPP amayoku no na Ghana fonso e react wo ho na do fu yentie ensem Oman Peninda da John Dramani Mahama e de etu dwane kakra
Professor Jambafo Honorable Osafo Mafo Kendo Foriata. What a solid team. Alan Tremantin. This is the solid team. Solid team here. Mafo. Honorable Osafo Mafo. Kendo Foriata. What a solid team. Alan Tremantin. This is the solid team. Solid team here.
Na adofuye ina yate ensema Oman Peninda da John Dramani Mahama ede etu dwane na Ghana fonso ama na reply ni yenti ensema Ghana fo eka ede ekire Oman Peninda da John Dramani Mahama e wa bra odi NPP amayoku na fenso emu mpanifo no omo ho FL no way. This is really the only option we have now. Oh Ghana, we need the obese types of Nigeria. And I went so nana and I watch a coming live. And I went so fame and also hey on the stress and I went so equia and I watch say this is not funny. Ghana looks like a joke to you, right? Can you lay your card on the table so we check if we can consider? Because as at now you are not no different. You are not no different from the people you are teasing, or you think some of us have forgotten, right? Sorry, say, not all of us have short memory. And I went so okay. And I went so HSA. And who told Mahama that he's different from the NPP? He's the same as them. Ghanaians have short memories. And I went so Kobe and I just say. Instead of delivering his message, he is there again making mockery. When he loses his pet, then his face changes. And I went so Odame and I just say, nonsense. These things have no change. Tell the people what you have to offer and how you are going to do it. And I went so Nana Boatin and I just say, Enkra, he is still better than you. Better than you 100 times. Come 2024, Bawumia will hit you down. And same way, when so HSA, Mahama is beans to both NPP and NDC. All be beans, selfish people. And when so Kwabena also politicians on the one side. And when so HSA, this is how he starts the mocking game. And then when he gets a reply from Bawumia, he starts to preach about the North not being united. And when so a black star and not just say John is a joke. You think JHS is going to get you the presidency? You must be joking. We have already seen the back of you. In some way, and Ghana for be aka ede atre Oman Peninda da His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Jimmy Sanu, there been this ha. So what you say? The old kind, nine unums about na Abigaru Wachina. Count me in a simple soon, because I win a magician. Now, what is the Kabugunko for Butum? Count me. Now, Okas has some no news about no Mr. President, the Granny, but over me you. Because that time 2014, 13, 15. Now, when we say, over Tanasu 8 years, I come mano, and 2 continue few grana, while Rachel, your best head to your car and Tiamvon. They tell me so you be my bro, some Nasa when you brad you say, Nipper organ in Nano. From ministry administration, I was starting. Bosumi Biana, now Etioka, and the Los Angeles Gracia. Tell me one person organ about Cosimu. I wait to MP, ultimately assemblyman, MP, a deputy minister, and Kasankasa, a vice president, president, and Kasankasa. Tell me, nobody ever Ghana about Cosimu. Ghana, since Ghana, Ghana, since Ghana, but us as we ever told we are saying. Nipa that's a new business as we saw. When ya sa position we are, when you be. Nasanya who bonny and a new brace can libre and I'd over say, when you bear the into better national be kumo mano, a queer soon. Now no ma, enjoy. Now we no yalia, what a becono, and one Sikana open with the when ya bra, Obaso kumo mano. Obase o man to 3 pounds on what tone. Obasa is killing us at Yaka. And Yamma, but was also some by me. Would be Buraka? Nanyamisu be born what she can be 2 government of who a D. Mimi say, yes, sir. Party Nankasa NDC, no. Nipe woman na drink crowing Muja. Nipe woman na a cragging bonnet. Nipe a good party noon na Sabi Nipa. One moon nipa. And I come didia. Come sing, come home about town. Abe do a chiggy, Abe risky candy because why young quasi sika good them? Sika wo good them no. Sika wa park good polytank Mississippi, you know. Now no I buy a sika and I want more than 70 cars and I actually be free of my party. Oh, JDM. As a president. Ninja Chino. What's that to you? I want your president. Utifie, we a former president in Tino. Yes, I try car, a try Yerika. Untimi who said, I answer and can't say or mine say Ghana heading. Nanka Adia Obaya Ghana for being your door. Mahama and Casano, say, say, young free and any brainy bay your own one. Obedience as you so bad, Mahama and that. I said, you're not 2 for so over.